Welcome back to our channel. Let's do a quiz on the types of government. What is a government? A government is a group of people who make rules and decisions for a country and help keep everything running smoothly. They create laws, protect people, and provide enforces like school, road, and safety. In which type of government do people choose their leaders by voting? Dictatorship, democracy, monarchy. Democracy. People elect their leaders. A king or queen rules in which government? Monarchy, republic, democracy. Monarchy. Power is held by a royal family. When one leader rules with full power, it is called dictatorship, democracy, federalism. Dictatorship. One person controls everything. A government where religion guides the laws is called theocracy, democracy, oligarchy. Theocracy. Religious leaders make decisions. When a small group of people holds the power, it is called oligarchy, monarchy, democracy. Oligarchy. A few people control the government. In a republic, who holds the power? The king, the elected representatives, the army. The elected representatives. People choose their leaders to represent them. Which government gives local states or religion their own powers? Unitary government, federal government, dictatorship. Federal government. Power is shared between national and state levels. A government where everyone directly participates in decision making is called direct democracy, monarchy, dictatorship. Direct democracy. People vote on laws themselves. In a constitutional monarchy, the king or queen has total power, shares with the government, make all laws. Shares power with the government. The constitution limits the monarchy. Which type of government is run by military leaders? Military rule, democracy, oligarchy. The army takes control of the crown. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe.